The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G stands as a testament to Samsung's commitment to delivering high-quality, feature-rich smartphones at an accessible price point. Packed with impressive specifications and features, this device offers a compelling experience that caters to both power users and casual consumers alike. The 6.5-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display is a visual treat. Boasting a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and supporting HDR10+, the screen produces vibrant colors and deep blacks, making media consumption and gaming a delight. The addition of a 120Hz refresh rate elevates the overall smoothness of navigation, providing an immersive experience that is hard to beat in its class. The Galaxy S20 FE 5G features Samsung's signature design language, with an elegant blend of glass and metal. Its IP68 rating for water and dust resistance ensures durability, making it suitable for various environments. While the plastic back might not feel as premium as glass, it contributes to a lighter device that is comfortable to hold. Equipped with the Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865 chipset, an octa-core CPU, and Adreno 650 GPU, the S20 FE 5G excels in performance. Multitasking, app launching, and gaming are seamless, even for resource-intensive applications. The 6GB of RAM might seem modest compared to some competitors, but Samsung's optimization through One UI 2.5 ensures a fluid experience without noticeable lag. The camera setup on the Galaxy S20 FE 5G is versatile and capable. The 12MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, and 8MP telephoto lenses cover various shooting scenarios. The results are generally impressive, with vibrant colors and good dynamic range. The 32MP front camera delivers sharp and detailed selfies. The 4500 mAh battery provides ample juice for a full day of use, even with heavy usage patterns. The combination of a well-optimized chipset, a lower resolution display, and a reasonably large battery contributes to solid endurance. The inclusion of fast charging and wireless charging options is a welcome feature, ensuring quick top-ups when needed. The under-display fingerprint sensor is quick and reliable, adding a layer of security to the device. It blends seamlessly into the design, enhancing the overall user experience. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G impresses with its performance, display quality, and overall value proposition. If you're in the market for a powerful and feature-packed smartphone without the premium price tag, the Galaxy S20 FE 5G is definitely worth considering.